Hello, welcome to another episode of Black Tiger Cafe. I'm Chef Bill Bailey. Today we're going to cook a quick and easy stir fry. Here are the ingredients. With today's busy and stressful atmosphere, families are looking for easy and quick meals for dinner. I'm going to show you a pineapple fried rice that your family will love. All right, let's get started with our soy sauce mixture. You're gonna first get a small bowl to mix your sauce in. You're gonna grab some soy sauce, some ginger. This is ginger powder. And then on the other side of this is black pepper. If you want, you can use some white pepper. We're gonna mix this up. Mix it all together. And this is gonna be mixed up so we can use it later in our recipe. All right, now that we have our soy sauce mixture mixed up, we're gonna start by heating a skillet and adding a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna saute some onions. Now that our pan's hot, let's dump in our onions. We're going to constantly stir these to make sure the onions aren't burning. We don't want them brown, but we want them cooked. We're going to cook them until they're translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, now that our onions are cooked, we're gonna add a few other ingredients. We're gonna add some garlic, carrots, corn, and peas. We're gonna cook these and stir constantly until our veggies are tender. And we're gonna cook these about 3 or 4 minutes. All right, our veggies are nice and tender, and the next ingredient I'm gonna put in is the chicken, the pineapple, the rice, and our soy sauce mixture. So we have chicken here. Again, because this is our quick and easy stir fry recipe, I went ahead and I purchased a rotisserie chicken from our local market. And I went ahead and diced up the meat for it. So that's what I'm using here, but you can definitely use your own chicken. You can dice it up and cook it up. Just make sure when you're adding it to this recipe that it's cooked chicken. So add your chicken. You're gonna add your pineapple, and you can use some of the juice from the pineapple because that'll give it a nice steam to the dish. Gonna add the rice and the soy mixture that we mixed earlier. And we're just gonna heat this through. We're just cooking this to heat it through. The rice that we have is a cooked rice. And again, the chicken was cooked, so we're just heating all this through and mixing it together to make our quick and easy stir fry. And you should let this cook for about 3 or 4 minutes until everything in there is nice and warm. All right, our stir fry is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and put it in a bowl. That's it. That's our quick and easy pineapple fried rice recipe. As you can see, it's a real easy recipe. You can grab these ingredients on the way home from work, and it can easily feed a family of 4. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and go Black Tigers.